Good morning friends. Today we are going to solve y equal to cos root x. Now we are going to differentiate this function. So if you observe, this is a composite function. Now let us make this inside function as u. So when you make this inside function as u, then y becomes cos u. Now since this is a function in u, differentiate with respect to u. So dy by du equal to d by du of cos u, that is minus sin u. Okay. Now we have u equal to root x. So this is a function in x. So differentiate with respect to x. So d by dx of u equal to d by dx of root x. This can be written as du by dx equal to d by dx of root x. Okay, this can be written as d by dx of x power 1 by 2. So this is in the form of x power n. So d by dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1, n into x power n minus 1. So 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 into 1 by x power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 root x. We have dy by du as well as du by dx. So we can write dy by dx as, so this is 2 and this is dy by du is 1. So dy by dx can be written as dy by du into du by dx. That is minus sin u into 1 by 2 root x. Sin u is root x by 2 root x, and this is your solution.